Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Esther, where I do a little bit of everything here on my channel. I wanted to do a date night makeup look. Valentine's is right around the corner and I wanted a look that was simple enough for everybody to do, but also kind of like spicing it up, adding some lashes and really making the look complete with my hair, guys. I put it in rollers for the first time and I think the bangs are like having their moment. So guys, let's just jump into today's video. Everybody knows that I like doing my brows first, so we're gonna go ahead and carve out the brows using the About Face foundation. I am absolutely in love with this foundation. I'm really just in such a good mood. Honestly, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't want to film today because my boyfriend was leaving today to go to work because sometimes he has to travel. But he's gonna be gone for the rest of the week. So I wanted to spend the morning with him. And I was like, I don't even know if I want to film because I'm kind of sad that he's leaving. But he was leaving and I was like, well, I would rather like have fun and do a tutorial with y'all than like lay around and be depressed. So I was like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I would much rather be doing this than anything else. I was like, oh, you can't tell that like I brought my foundation all the way up to my forehead. Yeah, you freaking can. Why do I look so pale right now? I don't get it. Anyways, guys, we're gonna bring the foundation to the rest of the face. Just like that. And then I'll bring it to my face. And then blend it all out. Guys, please do not judge this shade match. This foundation is from the summer. Yikes. Everything is now blended out and I feel like it still looks a little bit too dark, guys, but it's okay. Like, we're not even worried about it. We're not even worried about it that we're gonna contour a whole lot. I want contour. I want to look snatched, but not dirty. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop contour sticks. This is in the shade Moonstone Beach. And I'm gonna apply it like right here. Like up. And I'm even gonna drag it onto my eyeball. Because I love adding it right here because then I have to go in with less eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna apply it onto my forehead, but I still have little greñas here. And then just kind of going like this. Like I want it in this area right here. And I'm honestly gonna like fix this. Let's keep contouring. It's kind of hard with these rolls in the way. How do you girls do this? Teach me your ways. I'll learn. I just have to get used to them. Let's go in with blush next. Yes, ma'am. Our fave. Other than contour. Blush and contour are my girls. We're going in with two. That's how much I love my blush. No, but I feel like these two would make that kind of look that I'm going for, like almost sun-kissed, but cold at the same time. And I feel like that gives us that vibe, you know? This is the ColourPop blush. This is in the, this is a tongue twister for me. This is the ColourPop blush in the shade She's Cute. Sally went down to the seashore to get seashells. And then we're going in with the peach and... Why did they name this hoe Lily? Blush Lily. Because I want to say peach and lily every time. This is we're going to go in with the Juvia's Place blush in the shade Lily. Guys, I swear I don't have like nothing wrong with my speech impediment. I don't got like a speech impediment or anything. Like, I think it's just my teeth. Maybe. Okay. One more time. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep it real close to the under eye, is what I've been doing. So I wanna put this one right here. That's a lot. Ooh! And then I wanna put the pink one right here. Okay, and then we're just gonna blend. Blend, blend, blend. We're gonna blend this one up a little bit right here without touching that second one. Kind of combine them like that. That is Valentine's right there. That looks like Valentine's. And then we'll bring it down to the cheek a little bit. Okay, now that we've like sort of got this underpainting type vibe going, we're gonna go in with our e.l.f. Camo Concealer and placing that under the eyes, of course. Now, if you don't like a bright under eye, you don't have to go in with a lighter concealer, but I personally think that this will elevate the look. You know what I'm saying? Because sometimes if it's too pale, it kind of looks a little crazy. So you need something to kind of balance it out. I'm like squinting because I can't see into my camera, like into my phone. I'm like, because like even this distance, literally from here to here, like that much distance, I can't even see. It's a blur. And yeah. We are now going to set our entire face. First, I'm going to use this pink powder under my eyes and the rest of my face, just going in with a translucent setting powder. I find that whenever I use a pink powder under my eyes, it just elevates the way that they look, how bright they are, especially around the cheek area, because it keeps them pink. Look at how cute these powder puffs are. I got them at TJ Maxx. They are adorable. Oh my gosh, I love brand new powder puffs. Okay, the angle changed just a little bit because I'm sitting a certain way in my chair and I'm so comfy right now. Like, we're staying like that. I'm sorry, babes. Next step is eyeshadow. I've already did it on this eye right here, just to see how it would look, and I absolutely love it. It's very simple. We're gonna be going in with the Sweet Tart Frosted palette, and we're going in with this one right here, which is in the shade Soufflé. I swear they do that on purpose. Shade Soufflé, like kind of a tongue twister. I really want to see how these rolls turn out because I have a feeling they're gonna look a little silly, but we'll see. I'm honestly so happy to be sitting here though. Guys, we officially hit 400 subscribers. That is like insane to even say. What? Thank you so much, guys. Like, wow. Y'all make me so dang happy. Literally, y'all are the reason that I sit down right here every time that I get ready and I'm just like in a good mood. Like, this is such a happy place for me and y'all bring me so much joy, and I want to say thank you to each and every one of y'all, you know, all of y'all who support me and enjoy my content. That makes me so happy. I have like these little strands that are just like sticking out, and it's like, why? Why are you doing that? You're making me look crazy. Okay, I think this is it for the eyes. Yeah, we want to keep it real simple. I might just put a little bit more right here because that looks really cute. We're gonna go in with our Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeliner. I don't want to do anything too crazy with the eyeliner. I just want something, you know, regular schmegular degular. See, very simple, very cute. Now that we have everything as it needs to be, all the details are where they need to be, we are going in with our Too Faced highlighter. This is the Moon Crush highlighter. This one is absolutely gorgeous. This is the Shooting Star one. And I'm just like obsessed with it. Like, you can see its glow and I love it so much. Like, I wouldn't need any other highlighter in the world besides this one. But just wow, look at her. And I like going in pretty heavy with this. If you don't like highlighter, I feel bad for you because it's the best thing in the world and it makes me so happy. I'm ready for this look to be complete because it is so gorgeous. It's so me. I love it so much. Like, wow, wow, wow. She's transformed, honey. OMG, look at how cute. I swear, it's just these lashes that make me feel like I'm a doll. Like, I'm a doll. The only thing is, like, I can't tell if they look a little different, but they're the same lashes, babe. We're going in with the MAC lipstick in the shade Taupe because I want to keep the lips looking a bit more natural. Like, I didn't do much to them. Plus, if it's a date night, honey, them lips ain't staying. I'm sorry. I feel like I'm always apologizing for the stuff that I say on here. See, that doesn't look too bad. Like, keeping them more natural. I like that a lot. Guys, we're done and I don't even want to take these out. Like, this is part of the look. I'm just gonna go out like this all the time. Guys, I took out them rolls. Okay, listen, I feel like if I did it again, they would look a lot like my hair would, you would be able to see it more. But like, I love it so much, guys. I'm gonna do these way more. Do you see the bounce? Okay, yeah. I wasn't sure at first. My forehead does look a little big though, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you. Anyways, guys, that is going to conclude our video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I feel like it was so much fun. I feel like this is the perfect date night makeup. It's simple, it's easy, but you still look hot and sexy. Yes, you do. So guys, this is it. I honestly think the hair really brought everything together. Like, obviously I don't want it too messy, but yeah, guys, this is it. I hope y'all enjoyed. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy now. Okay, this is giving like rock star. I'm a rock star girlfriend. Okay, let me stop because I'm being too much. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know down in the comments below if y'all end up trying this beautiful makeup look for Valentine's or just for a date night out. I hope y'all enjoyed. yeah, give this video a big like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, guys, because I'm always doing new looks. I'm always doing new things. I have so many looks here on my channel, so make sure to take a look at those. And yeah, guys, that's all. And don't forget to turn on the notification bells because you don't want to miss my next video. I love y'all all so much. Bye.